Hello and welcome back to brand new video. In today video I'll get you a visit to Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek is basically a saltwater creek located in Dubai. Previously it was extended to Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary, but as part of the new Dubai Canal it is extended through the Persian Gulf. So let's go and explore this beautiful picnic spot together. The man-made Dubai Creek, which divides Bardubai and Dera, happens to be a man-made waterway made for the convenience of trade ships. Presently, it is a delight to sail along the creek, especially in the evening. Dubai Creek was historically known for being between Dera and Bardubai and ending at Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. After the creek was extended into the Dubai Water Canal, its waters now also flow through the Business Bay and Jumeirah areas. Old style buildings, a mystic aura, and traditional style wooden doors are what most people think of when you mention the Dubai Creek. But there are some unfamiliar facts about Dubai Creek history that will amaze you. The history of Dubai Creek area is richer than you think. Not only is it this the Emirates' first major port, but it is also full historical significance. Dubai Creek has served as a safe harbor to trade along with other ports of Arabian Gulf. The creek split through the ground in 1950s to form a small canal. The Greeks used to refer to Dubai Creek as River Zara. Historically, the creek did not have any circulation. The water just flows in form of the sea and ends abruptly at the Ras Al Khor sanctuary. And in the past, Dubai Creek was the hub for trading gold, spices, and fresh catches from Arabian waters. 1837 was the first time when a plane landed in Dubai Creek area carrying from Southampton to Karachi. One of the amazing Dubai Creek fact is that 8 seaplanes a week were landing in the area during the World War II. As well as in 1955 was the year when the creek was dragged deeper and wider since large vessels could not enter the creek. Afterwards, a 500-ton ship could anchor at Dubai Creek, which contributed the surge in trade around that time. And the first bridge in Dubai, Maktoum Bridge, was constructed in 1963 over the creek to connect Dera and Bardubai. This Dubai Creek Bridge prevented travelers from the embarking on a long waterway journey to reach land. The Dubai Creek was a center of pearl divers. As many as 3,000 boats were used for pearling in the creek, with divers departing in May and not returning from up to 4 months. In 2007 was the year when a modern construction plan worth $132 million for Dubai Creek development was finished. And as you can see, both sides of Dubai Creek are surrounded with old style markets, heritage buildings, and museums. There are traditional style wooden doors, bustling souk, and wind towers called burjis that define the traditional life of Emiratis. It's very adjacent to gold souk, and you can easily buy from there gold, jewelry, spices, perfumes, and leather. And this market was first introduced in 1950s. History lovers can explore more by visiting Al Fahidi Historical District. It's one of the best museum in Dubai. It is a perfect place to glimpse old architecture, including traditional desert home in the UAE. Nature lovers can spot flamingos that migrate to Ras Al Khor, a wetland extension of the creek spread out 6.2 square kilometer and features a variety of mangroves and lagoons, perfect for migrating birds. The sanctuary is home to 180 species of birds. As well as Dubai Creek is also a huge hotspot for the city's fishing industry due to its shallow waters. It is a home to diverse marine life. So Dubai Creek is still one of the leading tourist attraction in the city, and it has over tens of thousands of visitors every day almost in the normal session. The newly launched Al Seef development has also hosts fireworks over Dubai Creek during special occasions such as Eid, New Year, Christmas, etc. Also, there are a number of stores where you can test your bargaining skills for perfume, jewelry, and Arabian coffee or whatever the things are there. Also, if you come across textile souks to browse the fabric at nights, these souks are light by traditional lamps that enhance the ambience of the area. And if you want to experience on water dining in Dubai, this town is one of the best places. There is a platform restaurant just above the water, the Dubai Creek Golf Club. You can also have a fine dining experience at floating restaurant with a glass roof. It serves wide variety of international dishes including fresh seafoods between 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. daily. And Dubai Creek Cruise is another attraction to enhance sightseeing experience that also feature an international buffet dinner. So basically, Dubai Creek is a home to some of the city's leading entertainment venues, museums, and dining options that also unveil the real identity of Dubai. If we talk about how wide is Dubai Creek, so it is almost 14 kilometers, or you can say 8.7 miles from its origin at the Persian Gulf. It is wide enough to welcome large vessels for trade and transport between the eastern and western areas of Dubai. And location wise is from Dubai International Airport, it is just 15 minutes drive crossing Al Garood bridge that connects Bar Dubai and Dera area. There is also the Al Maktoum bridge and Business Bay bridge that connects both the areas. There are buses and metros and ferries to reach to Dubai Creek from Dera. If you are in Dubai or if you want to come to Dubai, so you must visit Dubai Creek. There is a range of options to go from sports nightlife in this area. You can engage in many different Creek Park Dubai activities as it is perfect for a wonderful family day out. If you are into sports, there is a Dubai Creek Golf and Yacht Club. The dinner on a floating platform at Dubai Creek is another popular activity among tourists and residents. Besides this, there are museums, old-style souks, and many other landmarks to explore. You can also opt for Dubai Creek boat rides for sightseeing traditional architecture across the waters. Another attractions in the pipeline will be Dubai Creek Tower. This Dubai Creek Harbor Tower will be a new attraction for Dubai Creek tourists. If we talk about nightlife in Dubai Creek, so Dubai Creek becomes a hub of nightlife options as the sun goes down. Thanks to new Al Seef development on the banks of the creek, there are plenty of trendy restaurants and bars to hit near Dubai Creek. For party goers, there is a selection of lively bars and entertainment venues in the region. As well as if you want to stay near Dubai Creek, so there are several options for accommodation between mid-range to luxurious hotel in Bar Dubai area. For instance, the Wheelhouse, Al Seef, and there is a Art Hotel or some of the trendy options if you are looking for hotel near Dubai Creek. Now let's go and explore the Dubai Creek. चल रही ना। एक नीचे पॉइंट नजर So friends, this was about it. Hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, please thumbs up. See you soon with the next video. Take care. Goodbye.